Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have a shower stool, and this is the box that it comes in. So, pretty compact, assembly required. So let's open it up and see everything that we get inside. A couple parts. Box is empty. So that is your instructions. So it looks really easy. So we'll get some of these bags out of the way. Get all the parts out. Okay. So has these neat little non-slip feet on the bottom of each piece. So that is your base. Now let's open this up. This is your tools. So you basically have 4 bolts and an Allen key. And it looks like that slips in like that. And then this will slide together into this piece because it's easier to put this up first. A little pressure, then that fits. So let's put all these bolts in loosely. I guess I could probably back up on the zoom a little bit. There we go. Okay, so we get one bolt goes up here, and we're just going to get a little bit of a thread going. Then here at the bottom, it's good. Over here on this side, just catch a little bit of thread. Okay, now that we have everything in place, we can tighten these down. Do these top pieces first. Alright, and on this side, okay, now make sure that you torque it down pretty good. These things are going to be in the shower, getting wet, humid area, so make sure that you definitely use this part of the Allen key to kind of torque it down just a little bit. You don't have to go like super tight, but you want it definitely snug so it doesn't come loose on you. Especially if you're using this to put your foot on, to scrub your feet while you're in the shower, or whatever you got going on. This top one, just get that going in there. Nice and snug there. So that is your cool little footstool that you can use in your shower, and pretty easy to assemble. And that's how it all looks from every little corner. So I like how it's kind of triangular, so you can put it into a corner if you wanted to, or flat against the wall. So then you only have a little footprint there. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mall. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.